Welcome to Shri sir.
What do you say?
Welcome.
Welcome. In Manipuri, Kurumjari. और आपका खोखरों में This is a long, dream for us. ये एक कल्पना थी. This was a long-standing dream for all of us. In fact, maybe our time has come now to realize this dream. And Northeast as one entity, is, I think, the answer for all of us, of all the indigenous people of the Northeast. And I feel so humbled and I feel so great to be coming to Agartala after so many years and to see this kind of, warm welcome. This is what Northeast is all about. Look at the warmth, look at the, sheer feeling from our heart. So I think this is going to be a great, movement in my mind for all of us to come together under one platform. Thank you.
Today also, in Manipur, there has been seizure. What message you give to New Delhi?
Well, as of today, when I arrive in Agartala, I come with a lot of hope that Manipur will also soon become very peaceful. But yes, it's going to take some time. The process is on. But at the same time, the whole the concept of becoming one, to speak for Manipur from Tripura, to speak for say Tripura from Manipur, to speak for Nagaland from Meghalaya, or to speak for say Nagaland from Assam. See, when all our voices, I think, resonate, if the voices go to Delhi, then of course Delhi will also take us very seriously. And I'm sure with your particular question to Manipur, Manipur has undergone a very deep crisis, as you all know, and we all must pray that normalcy and peace comes back to Manipur, and I think it will happen. It will happen with all your good wishes and with this coming together of voices of the entire North.
Thanks.